All right, guys, we're going to look at this place value Google form a little closer. Remember to put your name on the top. And then question 1, ask you to make the largest value possible using these digits. And then you can also just look right here and pick the number that has the largest possible value. So you're going to look at each place, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, thousands, and hundreds, and make sure just that the biggest number possible is there. Word form. So I'm going to read this word, this standard form in word form. So the words you hear are the words you would pick for word form. So I would read this number 613,907. Okay, those answer choices all look pretty similar, but you have to hear all of those words. And remember, you do not say and right here. 613,907. We will not be talking about decimals, so do not ever pick an answer that has and. And is how you read a number with a decimal. They've given you the population of Raleigh, North Carolina. And then here is the number they are asking about. 431,746. And I touched on this briefly in my math video. For expanded form, you're just going to look at that 4 and know that that 4 is worth 400,000. Then you're going to find an answer choice that has 400,000. And I can see that 2 of them do not start with 400,000. Sorry, my tools aren't working. So these 2 right here that do not start with 400,000, you would rule out. And then you need to find an answer choice that has 30,000, 1,000, 746. Okay, standard form for this one. They've given you the number in written form and word form, 3 million, comma. So I'm looking for an answer that has a 3 and then a comma. 470,000. So I'm looking for 470, comma, 39. They're going to ask you to put these in order from least to greatest, and they're using the name. So I'm going to find the smallest name, the smallest number that goes with the name. And when I look at Melanie up here, Melanie only has 1,003. Melanie clearly has the smallest amount. So I can immediately choose between A and C because Melanie has the smallest. And then I'm just going to find the second biggest, third biggest, and then the greatest. Or I could just find the greatest and make sure their name is last. You're going to compare. Only one of these is true. Keep in mind with that greater than, less than symbol, the one in A, the one that's open to the left, that's greater than. So this one is saying 49,903 is greater than 391,004. And then if you look at C, when they flip it the other way, that is less than. 23,920 is less than 197,394. So make sure you're picking the statement that is true. This one says that Marcia collected 4,691 shells last year. This year, Marcia collected more shells from the beach than last year. Which number could be bigger? So all they're asking is to pick which one of these numbers is bigger than her last year's number. Another comparison, you're going to have to figure out how to write that number. 4,000s, 1,900s, and 8/10s, and compare it to 3,000s, 3,100s, and 9/10s. Keep in mind that this number is going to give you an extra 1,000 because you have 1,900s. So I'll go ahead and tell you right here, you have 5,900 8/10s. Same thing up here. You have extra thousands, so you really have 6,000s, 100, and 9/10s. Mark is thinking